In this quick video, I will show you how to bridge BNB to CRO step by step. The first step is to have a BNB Smart Chain in your Metamask wallet, and if you have it, you can see it here. But if you don't have it, you can just Google it and add the network manually. The second step is to go to multichain.org and click Enter App. And then it will lead you to this website. And notice that the BNB chain is highlighted here, and you can see my balance and my Metamask wallet address. Now, the third step is to choose what network you're going to use to receive your token and what token you're going to use to bridge from BNB to Cronos. Now, you don't need to change this because we are already using BNB chain in our Metamask. And as for the token, click here and you can see a lot of tokens here. You can just search your token or just paste the address. Now, I want to choose USDT as my token. Then I will just click it here. After that, choose what network you're going to receive your token. And I want to choose Cronos. I will just type Cronos and then it will show here. Click here, and after you choose what network and what token you're going to use, type the amount of token you want. Now I will type down 50 USDT, and notice that it is not the same as the original amount because we have a gas fee of 0.19 USDT. Before we proceed, make sure you have a BNB token in your Metamask wallet because we are going to use it later on for the transaction. The fourth step is to click Approve USDT, and the confirmation from Metamask will pop up here. And as you can see, we have a transaction fee of $0.07, and here is the equivalent amount of BNB. Now, as you can see, I don't have enough BNB in my account to pay for the transaction fees, so I will just reject this, but you should confirm this in order to move to the next step. And the last step is to click swap here, and a confirmation will pop up again here, and after you confirm it, wait for your token to be transferred to Cronos. It will take a few minutes or seconds. If you have the estimated time of arrival will depend on the amount of token you are sending. The smaller the amount, the shorter it will take for your tokens to be transferred, and the larger the amount, the longer it will take for your tokens to be transferred. Comment down below if you have any questions about how to bridge BNB to Cronos.